Today we're looking at part number UB8K-8916. This is your 8,000 pound trailer U-bolt for 8K axles with a 3.5 inch tube. So it's 8K axles, 3.5 inch round tube. It is 9/16 inches thick right here, and the inner diameter is going to be, of course, 3.5 inches, and the length from inner to the outside, inner to bottom of the U-bolt, is going to be 8 inches, and from the outer it's going to be 8 5/8 almost. It comes with the nuts on it and the washers, as you can see, and you would need 4 of these per axle or 2 per side, along with a tie plate. The tie plate just connects onto the bottom of these, so you put the axle right in here, and then you connect your tie plates on like this, and they're actually going to sit right up here, then you screw it on. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thanks for watching.